A quick reminder, inshallah, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulih al-Ameen. So inshallah, we're planning to meet Dhuhr time. There will be a salah, inshallah, the Eclipse prayer, Salatul Kusuf, inshallah ta'ala. We'll pray 2 rakat, inshallah. So basically, there are about 5 to 6 things that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us in the most authentic ahadith. I looked at all of them again. I went back to what we did 5-6 years ago. It was actually, subhanAllah, 5 years ago when the last prayer we did. So number one thing, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, first thing he did, and he told others also, to rush toward masajid. Number one. Second is to do sadaqah. Sadaqah. Third, of course, we cannot do that nowadays. Alhamdulillah, it has ended. Free a slave. Fourth, he said, increase dhikr. Fear Allah. Do more dua and istighfar. These are the 5 things. There's a lot of dua, istighfar, sadaqah, going to the masajid, offering the salah. These are about 5 things that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has told us to do in the most authentic hadith. So, and one of them is the prayer, inshallah ta'ala. So wherever, if you cannot come, do it wherever you are, inshallah. Engage yourself in dhikr, in tasbih, in istighfar, and dua, and sadaqah if you can, inshallah. Any kind of charity you can do. And these days, mashallah, we have a lot of options. You can do online for Gaza, for anything, any sadaqah, inshallah. And these are anyways last 10 days of Ramadan. So we have ajr for sadaqah anyways also, inshallah. So may Allah give us tawfiq. And if you cannot come here, just quickly, I'll remind you again, just do the 2 ruku'. In each rak'ah, do basically 1 extra ruku'. But with that extra ruku', when you get back up, and we checked again last night, the brothers also confirmed, yes, we do say Sami Allahu liman hamida. We don't say Allahu Akbar. When we get back up, we say Sami Allahu liman hamida, like we always do when we get up from ruku'. Then resume your qira'at. Fatiha and recitation, resume that. That's what you're going to do. Then you go back to ruku' again, and then you say Sami Allahu liman hamida again. This time you say Rabbana wa lakal hamd, all the tasbihat, and then you go to sajda. This is how you do the second rak'ah also. Another important thing, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he recited Surah Ibrahim. This is also mentioned in Bukhari, Muslim, in ahadith of khusuf and kusuf. In his life, they witnessed kusuf, solar eclipse. And with that, there was one more thing I wanted to remind. He gave a khutbah, a short khutbah he gave, and in that khutbah he said some very powerful things. And Sahaba said the salah he did, don't ask us what salah was this. He's never prayed this long, this way, and this kind of ruku and sujood. He said we could hear his hissing, his sounds, his hissing. And oh God, there's something very powerful. He says, Jannah and Nar so close to me that I could put my hand and grab some of the fruits from Jannah. See, miracles happened during that salah. And he gave a very special reminder to men and women both. About women was to be grateful to your husbands, and for men there was a reminder about zina. He said Allah does not have, the most ghira Allah has is when you take someone's privacy in your hands and you commit this thing. This is when Allah has the most ghira upon. May Allah save us from that. So this is some of the things I wanted to remind everybody. So even if you did not come here, and if sometimes there are brothers who said they have appointments, they really cannot pray. Okay, sadaqah, dua, tasbih, istighfar, these are still things, free a slave. We don't have that, alhamdulillah. But these 3-4 other options are still there. Jazakumullahu khairan. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.